Peregrine 380 Fleet Management. What would your operation look like if every asset, every driver, every cost and every risk sat in one web platform that delivers clear reporting, faster decisions and full accountability? Peregrine 380 answers that question through structured workflows, integrated data and real operational transparency. Today you will see how the system supports fleet managers, executives and operations teams who need accuracy, compliance control and strong cost oversight. Begin on the dashboard. You view totals for assets, financed units, procured units, drivers, open incidents, items under maintenance, downtime and uptime. Each value links to a detailed report. These reports support fleet reviews, audits, cost tracking and executive reporting. Driver renewals, vehicle renewals and upcoming maintenance appear below the metrics. All fuel and maintenance numbers on this dashboard come from linked detailed reports. Once leaders see this screen, the next step is clear. They want to know what drives these numbers behind the scenes. Vehicle management. Open the vehicle module. You view all vehicles with fields for registration, branch, make, model, year, value, cost and odometer. Filters support quick sorting by branch, ownership type, status or cost category. Add vehicles one at a time or upload full batches through bulk upload. Duplicate VIN numbers, engine numbers and registration numbers are blocked. Open any record. You see documents, renewal dates, maintenance history, disposal details and audit entries. Disposal actions record values, supporting files, comments and disposal status. This level of structure often leads teams to ask how the driver environment aligns with this. Driver management. Open the driver module. You view all drivers with license dates, PRDP dates, phone numbers, supervisors and other details. Search and filter through expiry dates, driver types or branch assignments. Add drivers or upload batches. Documents, renewals and audit logs support compliance management. Audit entries record all changes with old and new values. Once this module is explored, stakeholders turn to operational risk. That brings us to incident handling. Incident management. Open the incident module. You view all incident entries with issue number, date, summary, odometer, priority level and responsible person. Filter by status or export full reports. Add new incidents with photos, attachments, cause descriptions and assignment. Bulk upload supports high volumes. Audit logs show every update. At this point discussions shift toward cost-heavy areas. Fuel and maintenance sit at the top of that list. Fuel management. Open the fuel module. You view all fuel entries with liters, cost, odometer, vendor and transaction ID. Add entries or upload fuel batches. Receipts support audits and monthly reviews. Fuel reports give usage trends, cost exposure and high consumption alerts. These reports link back to the dashboard for executive visibility. Maintenance management. Open the maintenance module. You view service and repair records with provider, dates, cost, status and hours under maintenance. Search by registration or maintenance type. Add or bulk upload entries from workshops. Data feeds uptime and downtime reporting, maintenance cost tracking and service forecasts. This module usually prompts one question from leadership teams. How does the system support broader compliance and risk processes? Renewals management. Open driver and vehicle renewals. You view upcoming license, PRDP, COF and registration expiry dates. Filters highlight overdue items or items due within a set period. Export support compliance reviews. Accident, insurance and claim management. Open the accidents module. You view accident details, cost entries, photos, supporting files and claim status. Insurance and claim activities follow structured workflows with full audit history. OPEX budget and financial tracking. Open the OPEX budget module. Track budget periods, approved amounts, variances and updates. Supporting documents and notes strengthen financial reviews and planning cycles. Leadership teams usually ask about data integration at this stage. Two features address this directly. Telematics integration. Peregrine 380 connects with telematics devices. Odometer readings, movement events and usage patterns enter the system automatically. This improves maintenance scheduling, utilization reports and incident investigations. Bank integration. The system connects to banking platforms for fuel and fleet card data. Transaction feeds update the fuel module instantly with volume, vendor, and amount data. This reduces manual work and strengthens audit accuracy. Uptime, downtime, and utilization. Open uptime and downtime reporting. You view available hours, lost hours, maintenance duration, and usage patterns. Reports reveal operational gaps and performance trends. Reporting suite. Open the reporting suite. You view asset reports, driver reports, renewal reports, tire reports, utilization reports, downtime summaries, and cost reports. All reports are exportable for operational and executive use. This is where decision makers pause. They see one web platform that controls assets, drivers, costs, compliance, incidents, maintenance, fuel, and external data feeds with full audit visibility. The final question becomes straightforward. When does the organization want to move from fragmented tools to a structured, data-driven fleet environment powered by Peregrine 380?